Hi, this is Elisa from Local King Roberts and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be our 17th car swap sharing. So I started the car swap sharing a while ago. I invite all my viewers and customers join me by making one car. So you send me one car and I send one car back to you. And then once in a while, when I receive enough cards, I will create a video to share all the awesome cards that created by you with all my viewers. So that's start today's video and showing you all the awesome cards created by you guys. Thank you so much. Let's start it. Okay, just a friendly reminder, today is a Friday and then tomorrow after 4 o'clock afternoon and Easter time, I'm going to join Nancy's stamp for the Stand With Me. You guys don't want to miss it. You get a chance to win a $20 gift certificate and also there is a special promotion code for Nancy Stamps viewers only. So I will put the link below and hoping you can join us. It's going to be a fun one. So the first card is Kathy from Illinois. It's pretty thick. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, three. The notes. 3 cards. So I am going to send you 3 cards too. So the first one is one of our early design, the fuchsia, and these stamps that used to have a die cut, but the die cut has been discontinued. I love the way Kathy used a very light color to create her own pattern paper. So these fuchsia set come with both shadow stamp and detail stamp. The detail stamp is just perfect to create your own pattern paper. Thank you so much, Kathy. See, and this is our combo set, and this combo set is a slim line size stamps, but I have created a lot of video to show you guys how to use these slim line size stamps, but on any kind of size cards. So I just love the way she just stamping with a very fine black image, and then I think it probably is matching kind of waxy. Not sure what kind of ink she used, but it's really pretty. And then she kind of lose 2 of the stamp, the butterfly and put inside the card. And I like the way she created her background. It probably is a stencil, and she kind of double die cut part of these flowers to make like a 3D. This is one of the set that I think is so pretty, and I have created a lot of video by using this stamp set. If you're new to this channel, just make sure you check the Local Queen online video library. Any cards you like, to click the card, they will bring you to the YouTube channel. 200 plus video are ready to view, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you. Oh, here is a note. I'm going to read it later. And this is our safari animal number 2. You are awesome. Okay, so it's our cheetah. Look how realistic it is. And this cheetah does have a matching die. The die cut is not really complicated. They cut this nose part out, but the embossing, you can see, is kind of 3D, isn't it? Okay, and the foundation card, I think she should probably just use embossing folder, the cheetah pattern, and then she probably sand it with a little bit sandpaper to kind of aging it. That's so pretty. So 3 cards in 1 envelope. Lucky me. Okay, thank you so much, Kathy. I really enjoyed. That's really liked all your cards. 3 different kind of design. And let me take a look at her notes first. Thank you so much, Kathy. And then I love all 3 cards for the swap. I will send you 3 cards too. And I hope you receive your magic mushroom by now on. And then leave me a comment. Let me know, do you love those magic mushroom? Isn't it magic? Okay, so the next one is Michelle from the Washington. Remember Michelle sent me those same dollars? Okay, let's see. Ooh. This is so pretty. Okay, so this seashell you can see, right? I don't know what kind of ink she, probably just the VersaFine on the metallic gray color. I think that's so pretty. The middle part is not local king's stamp, but like I said, there's no rule. You can use any stamp you like. But this 4 little seashell is the local king's stamp. So this is belong to the set cannery. It's kind of like a fishing house. And I love the way she kind of created this kind of like a 3D puffing sticker. So she put the glitter on top, and I think it's so pretty, and especially love this effect. Just simply using the Versa Fine Impact on the metallic cardstock, it's just so pretty. And then she used a light color in the decorate her envelope. Thank you so much, Michelle. Okay, and then this is Michelle from Ontario. Ooh, look at Mongolia. It is almost a Mongolia season now. And then she die cut one first, kind of just on the white cardstock, and then do the other die cut on top to create the kind of gap between. And then it looks like a 3D. And in the background is a happiness background. I love it. It's so pretty. I love a Mongolia flower. It's almost the season. The flowers are so pretty, but unfortunately their blooming life is so short. And especially we got a lot of rain in Vancouver. As soon as when it's rain, all the flowers start to fall. So that's a downside. Well, but that's nature, right? Okay, next from my sister from a different mother and father, Lisa. She's so sweet, I have to admit it, because I told her I don't have a car swap, go make me some, and she did. I love the way she used this little doggy and create this receivers box. I think I will definitely use that one in the future. Ooh, that's so cute. This is the way. Okay, dog leaves paws print on your heart. Absolutely. You know, I am stay wolf. Sit in the bow wow. I love it. So pretty. I like this one. I think she stamped it, and it is not the pattern paper. Probably one of the stamp after she stamped it, and then she used a clear embossing to seal it. You know what? I contact with the HPCA. I want to adopt a puppy, but you know now it's so hard to get a puppy, even a dog. I would love to have a puppy. That would make me happiest person in the world. Yeah, especially now I don't have to traveling anymore. I will be home with my dog, lie down on the couch, and do nothing. That's the plan. Okay, next is Tracy. Tracy. Oh yeah, I'm going to meet Tracy online this Saturday at the 4 o'clock. With Nancy's teammate, stay with me. So make sure you check it out. It's going to be a fun one. I have never met them before. I probably met Nancy. Ooh, this is our second card challenge. Yeah. Oh, she made her husband a Valentine's Day card. It's a cool stamp set. I'm looking forward to our Stay With Me YouTube. Yes, March 27. March 27. I really like her background. And they see our gas pump. The door can open. Isn't that so cool? And then see, she doesn't want to see through, so I think she stamped a piece of vowel or something and put in the back to kind of block the hole. Smarty. Yeah. Thank you so much, Tracy, and looking forward to see you just in 2 days. Okay, are you guys practicing with humming a long stamp set? I'm so excited to see what the other 5 come up with by using this Humming Alone stamp set. Oh, and for you guys, if you already purchased the Humming Alone stamp set, Nancy and I, Local King Robert Stamp Facebook page, we will create a post. If you like to share your project, the project that you create by using the Humming Alone stamp set, make sure you post your car on the Nancy Stamp's Facebook page or Local King's Stamp Facebook page, so other people can see all your all the cars that created by you guys. Okay, so this is Margaret from the Virginia. Look at this doggy, isn't that cute? Ooh. I was kind of talking to Margaret through the phone, not phone, the email. This is her doggy. I think it's a great idea. I have never see the people actually put their pets inside this window, but why not? Oh, he said, hi, Lisa, made a great picture frame. Absolutely. I love this idea. So if you guys have any window die cut or any stamps, I think you can definitely put your loved one right in front of that window. Okay, so here's the Tracy again. I accidentally opened it. I thought it was because of this butterfly. I thought it's for the car challenge. So this is our calm set. Look, Kathy and Tracy using the same stamp. Can you see what's the difference? And then just make sure you check Local King's online video library, because I use this stamp set, create too many videos to show you how you can do the reverse stamp and plus reverse die cut. You don't need anything extra. So just make sure you check it out. It's an awesome technique. I was kind of actually very impressed myself coming out with that kind of idea. Okay, so hey, this is again Lisa. Remember the last video? Lisa did the calendar. That was 3 months, 3 months plus the front page. I am soon that the other 3 or 4 months she is going to. I am soon she's going to send me all the pages. So that's the April. Very, very pretty. Oh, let me move. There you go. I'm disappear now. So that, and then look at the picture. We're not related, but I think you got my Thailand too. Lisa's a pretty Thailand herself too. So that's April. And then that's May. Ooh, that's so pretty with or hummingbirds here in the tulips. And riding with the wave here. And or the other combo. Oh, I really like these. This is I really are getting bad because I don't remember the stamp set. Garden party, something like that. Look how pretty it is. This dragonfly. I can't believe it. That's my stamps. But it's very shining. How? Lisa, did you put a packing tape on top? Can you see? Is those dragonfly is so shining? It looks like stickers, but it is my rubber stamp. It's the garden party stamp set. It comes with dragonfly. They come with butterflies too. So let me see if I can. Oh, she write down 2021 local king calendar. So I think every year Lisa and her group create a calendar. They create a few of them. Everybody create a page and they kind of swap. But she is actually so nice. She used all local king Robert stamp, create all 12 months. I just love it. Let me take a look. June. Dragonfly. Pattern Valen. Garden party, yes. Garden party is a dragonfly. Layer over green mirror card stuff. But how come your dragonfly is so shiny? So I still have a 6 months car to receive. Hello, Chop Chop. Are you working on the other 6 cars, Lisa? Looking forward to receive those car. Okay, so that's today's car swap sharing on June. Am I lucky or not? Look, all my Thailand crafting friends. Look, all the beautiful. I'm kind of OCD, COD, whatever. Have to go in the order April, May, June, July. Okay. I am so blessing, see, I can receive all those beautiful cards from you guys. This is so good. I can't ask for more. And can you believe it? I was kind of editing this video, not editing, kind of find what's the number I should using for this video. This is my 17th car sharing, and then each sharing I probably have at least 7 to 10 cards. So 17 of them, that probably over 200 cards. And this is a card swap. That means I have sent probably 200 cards out too. And I'm sure some of you guys have already received the card swap from me. Okay, do you like the cards I sent to you? If you like the card, you have received a card from me. Can you leave me a comment? Say, hey Lisa, the card we received from you is awesome. Or Lisa, the card I received from you is suck. Okay. I'm sure I enjoy every single card that I have received. How about you? Okay, so that's everything for today, and I am so looking forward to stand with me to do the stand with me with Nancy and her team, and then I am going to see you on Saturday at 4 o'clock East time. Okay, so this is Lisa from Local King Robertson. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.